Today I have a bunch of fresh radishes, so I'm going to show you how to prepare the radish greens. Most people think you could just eat the radishes, but you can also eat the greens. The first thing I'm going to do is cut the radishes off the radish greens. These are beauties, big radishes. Now I'm going to cut the long stems off because Grandpa doesn't like the stems, but you can eat the stems. Grandpa prefers his greens without stems. Even his spinach or kale, he doesn't like the long stems. Okay, all the stems are cut off now. So now they're full of dirt, so I'm going to rinse them in my colander really, really well. They've been cleaned and rinsed, so now I'm going to use my salad spinner to dry the leaves. I have my skillet on the stove and I'm going to put it to medium heat. I'm adding about a tablespoon of butter and I'm going to let that melt. The butter's melted. I'm adding 2 cloves of minced garlic that I mince myself. It's fresh garlic. I'm going to cook it till it browns. You don't have to use butter. You could use oil or baking grease or whatever fat that you want. The garlic has started to brown and you can see they're brown, so I'm going to add my greens now. Start to cook the greens. I'm going to cook these till they're nice and wilted. I still have my heat on medium. These will cook very fast. See how much they cook down? They look like a lot, but it's not too much. And that's how easy it is to make sauteed radish greens. You can eat them as a side dish or a light meal. You can also put them on a sandwich. I'm going to make a sandwich for Grandpa. I'm toasting some bread and I'm frying an egg because I know Grandpa will like that on his sandwich. You can add salt and pepper if you like, but radish greens are peppery themselves. This looks good. I'm going to make Grandpa's sandwich. I put the radish greens on the bread and now I'm going to top it with the fried egg. Grandpa likes smoked paprika because it gives it a bacony flavor. How's it taste, Grandpa?
I'll let you know in a minute once I get it open, cut it. Tastes delicious, Ma.
You like it?
Yeah, very good.
Do you taste the garlic?
Oh, of course I taste that garlic.
What kind of greens is it, Grandpa?
Popeye's favorite, spinach.
You think so?
Well, that's what it tastes like to me. You asked, I give you an answer. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Well, it tastes like spinach to me. Looks like spinach.
Well, it's radish greens.
Well, news to me. First time I'm having them. Tastes good.
Glad you like it, Grandpa. Enjoy. This is a very cheap meal. A bunch of radishes are 99 cents and I only use the green, so that's 50 cents. And the dozen eggs, we got it on a sale at the supermarket for 69 cents. This is a very inexpensive meal, especially if you could get the eggs like I did on a super sale. During the Depression, my grandmother would make this and it would cost her nothing because they had a big garden, a vegetable garden, and they had chickens. And she always baked her homemade bread. She always made homemade bread. So So it was a good meal for them. And it's still a cheap meal today. And it's also healthy for you. Greens are very, very healthy. You should try to have greens if you can every day.